Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader in XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is a 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and as you can see that as per our expectation, market gave a nice bounce from the level of 1844 and made a high of almost 1850, and right now gold is standing at 1848. If you look at the news, then the news is saying that gold prices in tight range ahead of Powell's testimony. So yes, market is waiting for the testimony of Jerome Powell, and after that we may get to see some crazy volatility in the market. So before the news or before the testimony, market may remain silent. Okay, and after the news or after the testimony, you may get to see a whole new side of market or a crazy side of market. So my dear friends, please be careful. If you want to know the timing, then please go to forexfactory.com and you can get to see the time here. 8:30 p.m. in my country, it will be different in your time zone. Okay, so you can go to any economy calendar and you'll get to see the time. Okay, and you can just check the time accordingly. And if you look at the chart of DXY, and then DXY is standing at 104.22, again coming down to the lows of 104.10. This is the low made by the market, as we have already discussed in a previous video, that if we look at the overall present structure of DXY, then more or less the market is sideways. Okay, but the speech of Jerome Powell will be very important. So after the speech, if DXY starts going up, then 105.50 will be the next resistance. Okay, and in case market drops, then the first support will be 103.70 to 103.80. This is the first support. In case market breaks this support, then on the chart, technically we do not have any immediate resistance. The next immediate resistance on the chart of DXY is around 102.60. so there's a big gap between the first support and the second support. The first support is 103.7080 and the second support is 102.60. so though the market looks sideways or choppy right now, but be careful after the news because market may show crazy volatility. And if you look at the US 10-year government bond, then as expected, market took support. And right now, okay, standing at 3.966%. But yes, not a clean upside. So I think that there's a high chance that market may come down again to test the support. Next time when bond will be coming down to test the support, there's a high chance that market will break the support and go down, because testing a level too many times is not a good sign. Okay, so be careful if you see government bonds testing the level again. So enough talking about bonds, DXY. Now let's talk about gold. So if we look at the major levels of the market, then overall the levels are still the same. So as I have already discussed in my previous videos also, that the strongest resistance on the chart of gold is 1864 to 1870. You can see that 1864 to 1870 is a big zone. It's a zone of 60 pips, but I can't help it. This is a resistance zone in the market. So what you need to do here is that once market or gold will enter inside 1864-70 zone, you can just switch to a lower time frame, let's say 15 minutes time frame, and just observe the market. Once you'll see market showing price rejection from above. Once you'll see market struggling around 1865, 66 or 70 level, you can look for a sell position, because 1864, 70 is the next big resistance on the chart of gold. And if we need to know about support, then yes, the support of 1844 to 1845 is no longer valid as a major support. The next big support on the chart of gold is 1839 to 1837.50. In case market shows a big drop big red candle, then 1839 to 1837.50 is the only level that has the potential to provide support to the market. And then we have 1831 to 1829. So today we have three important levels on the chart of gold, one resistance and two supports. First of all, 1864 to 1870, okay, where we can expect the market to reverse so that we can take a sell. And we have two supports around 1839 to 1837.50 and 1839 to 29. So these are the levels on the chart of gold right now. But if we look at the minor structure, because see, these are the levels that are far away from the current market price. So if you are a beginner, new trader and only looking for safe trading opportunities, these are the levels where you should be looking for trades. But if you're an experienced trader, if you can afford to take risks, then yes, you can afford, then you can look for trading opportunities around the minor levels as well. So the minor levels on the chart of gold. Okay, if you want to know about the minor levels, you can just switch to the 15 minutes time frame and you can see that gold is trading right now in a downward channel here. Okay, and more or less the levels are working nicely. So if you have the experience, you can look for a sell at resistance and you can look for a buy at support. So the line at the bottom is acting as dynamic resistance. The line at the top is acting as dynamic support for the market. Once market will come down to the level of 1842, okay, around 1842, I'm not sure, you can look for a buy, but keep in mind these levels are not very reliable. Every chart have some strong levels, some weak levels. Okay, already we have talked about these strong levels. These are the weak levels. So before news, you can expect the market to take support at the line at the bottom. You can expect the market to reverse on the line at the top. But during news or after news, okay, these levels or these lines may not work. So my dear friends, please be careful. As I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be your first priority always. And if you're a new trader, beginner, and you're in a tight spot, very less capital right now, then you should always avoid trading during the news. You can observe the market to gain some experience, but trading during the news can be very, very risky. Don't make the mistake. Okay. And my dear friends, as you all already know, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back. The dates are 16th, 17th, and 18th of this month. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English. If you really like my work, if you really want to learn, then you can definitely consider joining the 3 days workshop. The best part is that after the workshop, you will also get support for 1 month. If you join now, then no need to worry. This will be a free phase, okay, free time for you from today till 16th of this month. Okay, and if you're really wondering whether the workshop will be useful or not, then you can just look at the FAQ, frequently asked questions, and you can just see whether the workshop will be suitable for you or not, because the workshop is not for complete beginners. I have designed a workshop mostly for those who have been struggling with the market, who are unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. And I have shared my story also so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. So you can see the 10 reasons or 10 benefits of joining the Pro Trader program. And yes, the workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. Okay, once you sign up for the workshop, you are automatically signed up for the Pro Trader program. Okay, so hopefully you'll love it, because Pro Trader program is okay, I have designed it, okay, so that you all can benefit and become an independent trader in the future. Bye bye. Take care.